much time do you spend every week on meeting prep and follow up emails? If you're a PM, we both know the answer is hours, right? I built two AI agents in Zapier that handle all of it for me, and I'm going to show you exactly how I did it without coding. Let's go. Picture it, PM life. You're managing multiple vendors, multiple meetings, multiple work streams, all at the same damn time. Every week, I was working 30 to 45 minutes extra just prepping for each call. That's pulling emails, reviewing old notes, figuring out what the hell we talked about last time, drafting the follow ups. If you multiply that across 7 or 8 meetings, and that's hours of admin work, right? And that has nothing to do with actually leading the program. I knew AI could help, but most of the AI agent content that I had seen was either made for a developer or a data scientist. I am a program manager at a Fortune 5 company. I do not code. So I needed something that worked for me and my workflows using tools that anybody could use. So I built it in Zapier. And guess what happened?
Okay, so before I show you the agents, let me show you the setup. The agents work by pulling from documents that I set up in this drive. This is PM Agent Demo designed for this exercise. I have these meeting notes in here. I have email threads. I have project overviews, vendor directions, and then I have the actual agent instructions in here too. So this is the knowledge base that the agents are drawing from when I'm asking them to complete the task. Side note, in my enterprise environment at work, I created a similar system in Microsoft Copilot. So in Copilot, you automatically connect to Outlook, SharePoint, OneDrive, and Copilot's meeting recap feature. It's all automatic. Here, I'm showing you the same logic, but I'm using Zapier and Google Drive. So these tools anyone can access regardless of what your company uses. But this is a mock environment that's meant to show you how my work environment functions. So looking at the agents, let's go look at the pre-meeting prep agent first. So here you can see this one I made with Zapier's Agent Builder. It's super simple. The instructions are all written in plain English. It's step-by-step instructions for the agent to follow. Then I have logic in here to tell it what to do if, for example, it runs into a situation where it doesn't see a document, what it can do, what it's supposed to give me as the outcome and what I expect. All of that is here. The agent is connected to Google Drive. Let me show you here. See, it's connected to Google Drive, and I even told it exactly which documents are for it to use so that it knows when I ask it a question what to use to answer that question. So let me show you what it does. I'm going to ask it to prep me for my Nexus vendor call. See that? It read the meeting background document, right? It read the email thread, it read the agent instructions, and then it kicked out all of this. It gave me a full biweekly program review prep document. So I have a meeting overview, right? It has all of the irrespective parties that need to be included. It's showing me risks. It's pulling from the email thread, and it's even bringing up the Nexus team is blocked and Dana's team can't proceed without testing environment access, right? It's giving me the agenda, key decisions that are needed, and it even asked if I would like it to draft an email to send to the attendees. I'm going to say yes, please. and you'll see it searched for the email addresses, finding nothing. It still was able to draft me an email with just the names as placeholders. And at that point, I, as the program manager, have the opportunity to add the emails in and adjust as needed. But that's an amazing output. It did all of this, and it would have taken me, 30 to 45 minutes to pull it all together. The agent just did that in seconds, you saw. So now we'll go to my post-meeting recap agent. This one has the same build process, right? You're seeing the instructions. This is plain English, step-by-step information, easy to read, easy to understand. This one just runs after a meeting ends. So I feed it the meeting notes and it generates the full structured recap. It's going to give me key decisions, action items with owners, discussion highlights, and a draft email ready to send. Okay. So let's go in and I'll show you. I just wrapped up the meeting with the ClearPath AI vendors, right? And just look at it. It's fucking prolific. It gave me the key decisions, the action items, discussion highlights, and it drafted the follow up email. So as a PM, this is golden, right? 20 to 30 minutes of post meeting follow up. As we all know, you have meetings all day, and then you're into the evening doing this shit for yourself when the AI can do it for you. 7 or 8 meetings, you're saving hours every week. In my enterprise Copilot environment, I estimated that I've already saved 10 to 15 hours per week doing it this way, letting agents do the boring part for me. And at a fraction of that, if you're saving 5, 6 hours a week, this is changing the way that you work, changing your entire workflow in just a few steps.
So, what does this actually mean for PMs? First, time. I get back hours every week that I used to spend on administrative fluff. That time goes back into the actual work. That's strategy, stakeholder relationships, and solving real problems. Second, consistency. The agents produce the same quality output every single time. No more forgetting to follow up, no more missing action items, no more inconsistent recap formats across your work streams and vendors, right? Third, and this is the T, the PMs who build with AI are going to operate at a completely different level than the PMs who don't. I've talked to PMs across the industry, internal to my company and external, and almost none of them are doing this yet. So let me be clear, AI is not going to replace PMs. It's going to eliminate the administrative overhead so you can focus on the work that actually requires human judgment. And that's the work that drives value for your organization and your company. I built this in Zapier without coding. I'm entering these babies into the Zapier AI Builder contest. Link in the description. If you want a full written breakdown of exactly how I built this, including the agent instructions, drop a comment below and I'll drop it as a deep dive on my Substack. If you're a PM and you want to start creating with AI, follow me. I'm running my mouth about everything I know. I'm Nisi Powell. Let's work.